Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Trello's board activity stream, an incredibly useful tool that helps you keep track of your team's progress. First, log into your Trello account and open the board you'd like to monitor. The reason we do this is because the activity stream is board specific. It's where you can see every action that has taken place on that particular board. Next up, look for the Show Menu button on the top right and click on it. This helps us because it reveals the drop-down menu where the activity stream is located. Now that we've done that, select Activity from the drop-down menu. You'll see a list of all actions taken on your board in reverse chronological order. This includes card additions, movements, comment additions, and member changes. Let me explain why this matters. The activity stream presents a comprehensive history of your board, allowing you to monitor team progress, track changes, and even revert actions if needed. It's an excellent tool for project management and team collaboration. But what about filtering this information? That's our next step. At the top of the activity stream, you'll see a Filter by Member button. Clicking on it will allow you to view actions taken by specific team members. This is particularly helpful when you're trying to track individual contributions or follow up on delegated tasks. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you filter by member, Trello's system sorts through all the activities and pulls out only those associated with the chosen member, making it easier for you to review specific actions. To wrap up, Trello's board activity stream is an efficient way to keep an eye on your team's actions, track changes, and manage tasks more effectively. Make sure you use it to its full potential. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.